Damn, I forgot to get this.
Yeah, boy.
So now location change for the third time, and now currently I am at Marine Drives, the fort side, Flora Fountain. So let me show you one thing. See, the Mantha is here. We spotted this car at Breach Candy as well, and with it we have a Turbo S and a Mustang. Alright, let's get a side and get good looks. Like I've spotted the Mantha enough, I guess, so let's give justice to the Turbo S there.
Okay.
I can see lots of new faces here for the spotters.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Wow, man, Turbo S anytime. This car is freaking cool. Like, Porsches are meant to be elegant, but this car is good. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can see 3 cars, 3 logos in one frame here. Mustang GT, a Porsche here, and a Mantha Porsche back there. Damn, I forgot to get this.
Oh my God.
We got a Ducati Panicle V4 Lamborghini edition. Dude, this bike is sick. Made from carbon fiber. You can see lots of carbon fiber on this bike. Like more than on that GT3 RS, I think.
That's true.
Wow. And the Lamborghini logo. I don't want to get too close to this bike. So now the Mantha is again leaving the venue, and the Turbo S is also getting started. And there the beauty goes. Hey, look at this cute kid as well. I think I know this kid. And this is Sam, the Harley biker, as we know. And he's here as well for some beautiful cars. And look at it, a 340i with a BMW CLE 53, which we spotted on the petrol pump as well. The guy is wearing a helmet. Now the Turbo S is leaving. Every car is going that way. And again, I'm after this bike.
Yeah, boy.
Like, I just can't stop admiring the beauty it got. Everything is secured and exposed, trying to just look as beautiful as much. Like, I'm not that much expert in giving reviews about bikes, but I can say this is an absolute beauty here. And there the biker goes. Yes, and back on our bike. And the iconic 63, actually 63 number of Lamborghini here. I'm getting myself as well.
Wanted something like that.
Like, this boy didn't even care about cars. Hey bro, what do you like the most?
I like the most Harley Davidson.
Oh my god, that's great. Do you like the Mustang or your Harley?
My Harley.
Okay. And here is an BMW M2. And the Mustang is still here. So Porsche is looking for a parking space, I guess. So here we are getting a funny shot. The police uncle is enjoying the scene right now.
So please whatever.